What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new Envo mask. It's an unboxing, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm currently at work right now on break, and I received this package, which is the new Envo mask. So if you're working with COVID or around things that put you at respiratory compromise, this is a mask that you need. All the nurses on the floor have one, and we ran into a situation the other day where I didn't have a mask, so I was like, shit, I need my own. So we're gonna unbox it and see what it has in here. All right, so this is what the mask looks like. We get it opened up here. Comes with a few filters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 5 filters. You can buy separate filters on the website. Comes with a little container. You can put your name on the back of it. Use your instructions, and this is kind of what it looks like. Nice little softness on the back here. Alright, so putting it together looks pretty simple. Alright, so first things first, we put in the little plug here. We have the Envo mask that comes with it.
The filter.
This is the filter that we just placed over. And then it looks like you pretty much just snap it on. Alright, so I have the first attachment on. I also went ahead and got an Envo mask shield with mine. They have these in pink and blue. Went ahead and got the blue baby. We're going to put this on over our filter. The shield just adds an extra layer of protection on top of your regular mask. So it's protecting your filter, so you may not have to change it out as often. And this is especially important if the patient is spitting out or coughing big droplets.
So you just grab the top straps like this. You're gonna put on the mask. This part is gonna go in the back. And this is gonna be the lower end. And to make the mask tighter, you'll just pull here and then you'll make your straps tighter, and then I'll lay it in the back of your head just like that. And that's how you put on your mask.